Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe, and y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button if this is your first time coming in. Thank you, and welcome. Well, I want to go over some commentary today. We on the road to 1K. We are growing. The family is showing why we're the hardest working family on YouTube. So today I wanted to talk about these. Y'all remember these? Yes, these snake skin, actually no patent leather, stripped down version of the Jordan 11s. Yeah, man, I'm talking to you. You used to wear these. You thought you were the man. You used to go into school, couldn't wait to pull them out, man. Y'all remember them? People used to wear them on picture day, man. Coming into school, thinking they were the flyest, couldn't wait. Those shoes were crazy, man. They had crazy work in the early 2000s. Look at that. The colorways they was dropping in these. They made it seem like they were a new retro 11. And I don't know what you want to say about them now that we revisit it in the history books. But those, man, I don't know why they made them, what Jordan Brand was thinking about when he saw them. He said, you know what? I'm going to take my Jordan 11s and strip away everything that made that shoe the bomb. Look at that, man. This looked like your blank canvas, fake Jordan 11s you can get on Temu, DHgate, Panda Buy. That is a no. They never were hot. And I'm coming for you. If I catch fashion police, we're going to be knocking down your door, man. Seriously, man, that was never a shoe that was in. It literally looked like you can get them out the gas station, man, on a corner swamp meet. Like, what are those, man? Those look like the worst fakes. And go check out my other videos for the worst fakes and the best fake era. It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. I just want y'all to know, don't wear those. Don't get caught. 2024 moving forward, don't get caught in those. Yes, you will be clowned. Yes, you will be looked at like you buy those out the middle of the gas station. It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them? All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.